Good morning, viewers. Welcome again to my channel. Second matter, the solution to your math problems. This is Ghana Teacher Licensure Exams, JHS Mathematics for the year April 2024. Objective question number 7. To pass a teacher licensure exam, a candidate should get either a total of 50 points or at least 10 points in each of the 4 thematic areas of the paper. Which of these points obtained by a candidate in the 4 thematic areas is likely to be a fail? So let's analyze the question. For a candidate to get a pass in the teacher licensure exams, then this candidate must meet 2 conditions. Now, the first condition is that the candidate should get at least 50 points. That is, for the 4 thematic areas, we have 4 different thematic areas on which the test is organized on. So when we sum up your individual scores from the 4 thematic areas, we should get at least a score of 50. That is 50 or more. Or this is also another condition. To also pass the exam, you also have to get at least 10 points in each of the 4 thematic areas. That is, for the first thematic area, you should get at least 10. At least 10 means that you should get 10 or more points. So that is the condition that must be satisfied. So they've given us 4 different points for different candidates, and we have to figure out which of them is likely to be a fail. So let's start with the first candidate. So remember, 2 conditions has to be satisfied. 1, when we sum up the individual scores on the 4 thematic areas, we should get at least 50 points. So let's sum them up and see. 10 plus 15 plus 11 plus 9. Okay, so this is giving us a score of 45. So meaning that the first condition has not been satisfied because 45 is less than 50. Let's also look at the second condition. The candidate should also get at least 10 points in each of the 4 thematic areas. Now, for the first area, the student got 10. So the student is on course 15, 11, and then 9. 9 is less than 10. 9 is less than 10. So it means that this candidate will not pass the test. Let's also look at the other alternatives and see. So let's sum up the individual scores on the 4 thematic areas. So for the second one, that is option B. We have 25 plus 25 plus 5 plus 5. That is 60. And because 60 is greater than 50, it means that this student will pass the exams. Although the student didn't meet the second condition. With the second condition, the student should also get at least 10 points from each of the 4 thematic areas. 25 is more than 10, 25 is more than 10, 5 is less than 10. But because the first condition has been satisfied, this student will pass the exams. Let's also look at the third scores. So let's look at the total. 12 plus 10 plus 11 plus 10. This is giving us a raw score of 43. A raw score of 43. So it means that for the first condition, this student will not pass the exams. But let's also look at the second condition. The student should get at least 10 points from each of the 4 thematic areas. 12 is more than 10. 10, yes, the students have been able to get exactly 10 points. It's a pass. 11 and then 10. So all these 4 scores are at least greater than 10. So this student will also pass the exams. And then lastly, the last raw score. Let's find the total. So we have 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 25. This is giving us a raw score of 50, which is also a pass. And for the second condition, you could see that this, if we had used the second condition, 9, 8, and 8 are all less than 10. So that would have been a failure. But because this student has managed to get at least 50 points, this is also a pass. So with this, we are looking for a fail from the 4 alternatives given. We are looking for a candidate that will fail the licensure exam. And from the alternatives, it is only the first candidate who will not pass the exams. So the right answer is option A. Please like, comment, and share the video.